Hello and welcome back to the workshop, and sorry it's been such a long delay since we last did a video for you guys. There's been lots going on this year. It only seems literally 5 minutes ago that we were back in May and we were at our first show of the year, which was the Bushcraft show, and it was great to see all you guys there. And it's been a busy year basically. We've been juggling lots of things in the workshop and out, but the last few weeks we've been back in the workshop and trying to get everything a little bit more streamlined. We've got lots of new equipment which we've got to try and make homes for. So we've been doing a big spring clean, probably at the wrong time of the year really, because obviously we're now into November. But any time of the year is a good time to actually sort out the workshop. So yeah, we've been head down trying to get everything in place, and it's that busy time of the year where even though we're drawn to the outdoors, especially on a day like today with all this snow that we've just had, but we've got to get head down in the workshop because this is the busy time of year where a lot of you guys will actually want some of our lovely products to give people for Christmas gifts. So I hadn't even thought about Christmas until the other day when we went in a shop, and obviously there's lots of Christmas music going on. So we suddenly thought, hang on a minute, we better give you guys a bit of a heads up of what's available to you. So we've got lots of our fantastic blankets and lots of our lovely cozy buffy hats, but also we've got lots of other tools that are available for you guys to get ordered and dispatched straight away. So if you're not familiar with how our website works, there is a section on there which we call the Available Now. So now the Available Now page is basically for all the products that are absolutely ready to go. They're made and can be dispatched within 24 hours. So if you see any of those items on there that you would like, then remember to add them to your cart, and then we can get those out in the mail to you as soon as possible. Now, we end up having to use DHL now, which is a much more sort of thorough service, and we make sure that you will get notification and you can track that item as well. So you can actually either have it sent to a safe drop-off point if you're at work, but also you can change delivery dates as well. So it's very, very flexible and very convenient for you guys as well. So remember to check that out on the website as well. But yeah, lots going on, and hopefully over the next few weeks we will try and give you a bit of an update of that workshop clear out and show you some of the new equipment that we've actually purchased over the year that's going to make everything so much easier in the workshop itself. So thanks for tuning in, and like I say, apologies for the delay, but it's great to be back and we're looking forward to getting you some new content out to you very, very soon. So if you're not already subscribed to our mailing list, remember to check out our mailing list on our website, but also remember to follow us on here. Obviously, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, remember to sign up for the channel, and obviously tick that little bell so you get notifications. But also follow us on Instagram as well, where you'll get basically daily updates of what we're actually working on as well. So it's great to be back, and we're looking forward to getting some more content out to you very soon, and hopefully you'll see exactly what we've been working on over the last few weeks.